If your suitcase is heavier coming home than when you left, you're probably carrying more than souvenirs. If the air smells different, maybe you do too. Travel isn't just a place. It's a before and after. There's a kind of silence when you arrive somewhere new, like Derry, cool and damp, autumn whispering in every breath. Paris still lingers on your skin, the laughter, the urgency, the taste of possibility. You return home, but you're different now, haunted, in the gentlest way, by what you've seen and who you've become. Your childhood room looks smaller, posters of bands, old dreams, they don't quite fit anymore. Your grandfather's letter waits by your laptop, a challenge and a comfort. You want to write about the world, about longing, change, the ache of ambition, and the gravity of home. You stare at the blank page, heart loud in your chest. It's not about answers. It's about letting the questions live, about honoring the drift inside you.